Now this is something I haven't actually seen before. Come, check this out right here. Let's go. That is a huge headlight. What in the world? We have some new headlights that I got from Kemi Moto. Shout out to them for sending me this product. We're gonna talk a little bit more about it, and I just think it's a very interesting headlight. Like, it's something that I have never seen before. So if you like it, there's gonna be some description about it down below. First, let's take a look at it. Before anything, I will show you how to install them real quick, and then we're gonna test them at nighttime to see if they're actually really valid. Right now it's about to be sunset, so I'm just waiting for it to go down and dark a little so we can actually really test them, and I'll let you know my first impressions of them. But first, let's get to installing them. All right guys, so what you get in the package, obviously you get the 10 LED light. Whoa, this is massive. Very good. Feels very solid as well. Has that native Surron connector. I forgot the name of it, but that's what comes there. Got some instruction guides, and it seems like here it comes with like a bracket. All right, I'm assuming that's what we're gonna put on the handlebars, and then we have the little handlebars. Pretty simple install, as you can see. Basically, yeah, replace your current headlight. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna definitely sit on the two bars. We'll see how that goes. I have raised handlebars, so we'll see how that goes, but definitely we'll check this out. So that's what you get in the box. Now let's install this. First thing you want to do is obviously get to the cable that's connected to with this current headlight, and we're gonna put them on here. I'm gonna remove this. Only make some space if you want. So yeah, first thing you want to do is first remove the battery. You're gonna want to remove these latches to make it easier. I know a little bit what I'm doing, so in case this is your first time, remove this to make it easier. So what you want to do is, if you have a current headlight, you're gonna trace the wire all the way back to a connector, and you're essentially what you're gonna do is just unplug it and then plug this one into the connector as such. This is all that you get with it. So I'm assuming you put this on the handlebars, clamp it down, and these hardware are for the bracket. So let me show you real quick. So what you're gonna do is, they have these little holes here. You're gonna put the light underneath. Right, you're gonna install the washer first and then the bolt. So as such, put it right there. And in case you don't know how to, in case you're having trouble, they do have a manual, so you can kind of guide through with it. It's fairly simple, honestly. It's really fairly simple. Have that. Do the same over here. And what I'm gonna do is gonna mount these on as such, like here. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna mount it right here, and then here we're gonna plug it in here. That's as simple as it is, right? And then we're gonna test the light at nighttime compared to stock, and then I'm gonna give you my overthoughts on it after riding with it for a few days. Pretty straightforward. As you can see, I have this open. This is the connector cable. You'll find it based off of what your stock light or current headlight is. You get these little clamps, right? You open them. You're gonna want to get a flathead screwdriver. Just want to put it in there. Just start twisting until you're able to open it. Here. Scoop that in there. And we have these like these rubber pads. Now this will probably scratch up the bar. This prevents that. we just get a little measure, just a soft wrap around. It's about here. These are easy to pull and break, so that actually helps a lot. Alright guys, so we are here at a nice, dark, sketchy spot. Probably shouldn't be here, but let's just adore that for a second. Look at that bridge. It's the Kayusko Bridge, I think it's called. People have different names for it, but it's a dope. It lights up, as you can see. It was green, now it's red. It changes all the RGB colors. I'm gonna go by this little alley right here. Fairly lit, nothing too crazy. Now let's test how bright this light is. 1, 2. Whoa. This is sick. It's almost blinding, almost, in a way. Here, let's see how I would look like from far away. Here. Okay, so I'm walking by, my bike is on this side, I'm walking and boom! Wow. Maybe it's because I have the headlight facing up, but honestly, I'm very impressed with this light. I feel very secure at nighttime having this on. Like I said, if you are one of those guys that are trail riders, you want an aggressive look on your Surron, right? And I think I have raised handlebars, so it fits a little, it just fits. It barely just fits, which I'm totally happy about. But if you have those stock handlebars that are flat, these will fit just fine, and you get to adjust them at any level. So that is just insane. Here, all right, so let's do something else. Let's go in a much more longer view. That was a short little alley, so now let's go over here where they'll have something nice. I'm wheeling in the sky. When I wheelie, all you see is just a bar up in the sky like the Batman symbol. No, but yeah, so it's like, oh, there's a train track right here. That's actually, let's do that next. But first, I want to go somewhere where it's just super dark, and then somewhere where it's where it's like mildly lit, right? Mildly lit. Now, I say this because, generally you won't be up in spooky alleys all the time, but as you can see, I think, all right, let's turn this off. This is generally like a very not so bright area, right? Feeling a little sketch, you want to be seen, boom. Wow, that's very impressive. Wow. All right, so I'm here. I don't know, it's just not dark enough. All right, so here are the train tracks. Right, let's see how much this thing lights up. Ooh, that train could definitely see me from far away. Let's see if the camera can catch it. Let's put up the light and see how far it can go. Can I light up this building? That building is literally maybe I don't know, 50 feet away from me, and I could get a nice little light on it. That's insane. These lights are special, I can tell you that. Hey, look, you can't see the train tracks? Now you can. Wow, that is far. So as you can see, the stock headlight is obviously, it's stock. It's not as bright. I'm not here to compare them to other brands. I'm just letting you know that this is a really big and wide headlight, and if you're looking for something in the market, there is something for it. So I just passed by some super sketchy can't believe I'm looking for sketchy places. Some super sketchy place. So let's do another test. So as you can see, I'm here in this street. It's mildly dark, and if you're an e-biker and you're passing by a street like this and you want a reliable light, look at this. See how dark it is? Boom. See everything in front of you, at least from like a good 30 feet in front of you. Might have blinded the guy too. Sorry. Now let's go through this sketchy alley without, where are we? With?
Oh guys, that is it. Super bright lights. Shout out again to Kemi Moto for reaching out to me and having me review these headlights. I really think these are very distinguishable lights compared to anything I've seen in the third-party aftermarket. 10 LED headlights, super bright. Will have any Surron rider that has this on their bike to be seen from a very long distance, as you saw in the video. So very good peace of mind to have there. This is a very distinguished looking lights, I'm not gonna lie, and I do believe that for those that want to be super safe, this could be a really good light for you. There is a link in the description to more details about the products, and yes, this is an affiliate link just to be clear and transparent. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.